Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am super excited to share with you a little hack on how to get a Canva Pro for free. Yes, you heard that right, free Canva Pro. So let's dive right into it. The first step is pretty straightforward. Open up any browser and simply type in Canva in the search bar. Click on the first link, which is the official Canva website. Once you are there, go ahead and create your account by clicking on the sign up button. Now when it comes to signing up, you will see three options. Continue with Google, Facebook or email. For this method, we are going to choose Google. So go ahead and sign up using your Google account. After creating your account, you will notice that it's not a pro account just yet. But don't worry, we are about to change that. Now, this is where the magic happens. Head over to the BingoTingo website. Once you are there, you will need to wait for about 60 seconds until the team invite link appears. Once the link appears, simply click on Get Link. This will open up another tab and add you to the team. And just like that, you now have access to Canva Pro features. Now that you are a part of the team, go ahead and explore all the amazing features Canva Pro has to offer. From premium templates to advanced editing tools, the possibilities are endless. Now you see I have used a paid graphic emoji. Now let's go ahead and download it. And there you have it, a premium graphic downloaded for free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.